go to the Windows icon, click on that and select Settings. Now you will find Update and Security option, click on that. Go to Recovery mode and you will find Advanced Startup. You will find a Restart Now button, click on that. It will reboot you to Advanced Startup. You will find few options here. Continue, use a device, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. If you want to fix your Windows 10 problems easily, click on that Troubleshoot. Now the first option is Reset this PC. You can fix your all Windows 10 PC by hitting the single button, but it will reinstall the Windows 10 for you and fresh files for you. So you will lose all Windows 10 settings. So no problem, if you want to reinstall the Windows 10, you can use this Reset this PC. But I recommend you to go with advanced options first. Click on that. And now you will find few options here. You will find Startup Repair, fix problems that keep Windows from loading. So click on that first. So let the Windows 10 automatically diagnose your system and fix the all Windows 10 errors. Now you have to choose the username, click on the user and now put the password of your device. Then continue. You can see Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC. So in such cases, go to Advanced Options and again select Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. You'll find Command Prompt. Click on that. A command prompt will open here. Now you need to type a command here, that is sfc /scan now. Then press enter. It will check the all system files for you. Okay, once the process has completed, type exit and press enter. Okay guys, if any method does not work for you, then again move to the troubleshoot option and select advanced options. Now hit the command prompt. Here we need to perform few commands to fix all your Windows 10 problems. Now type C and colon and press enter. And now type dir and press enter. So here you can see the program files has installed in C directory. If you didn't find these program files in the C directory, you can change the directory by like this, D colon and press enter. Again type dir and press enter. The program files has not installed in the D directory. So I will select C drive. So now we have selected the C drive, which is OS has installed in this drive. Now you need to type cd space /Windows /System32 /config. Then press enter. Now you need to type capital M and capital D space backup and press enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup. Then press enter. Now we have copied all the backup. The next command is cd space regback and press enter. Now type dir, press enter. Now we need to replace these files so that we can easily do. To do that, type copy space *.* space .. Then press enter. It will ask you to overwrite these files. So let type all, then press enter. Yes guys, we have copied all files now and replaced. That's it guys, you can just exit now. Once you exit, you will find the continue option. So click on that. That's it guys, hope your all Windows 10 problems has been solved. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel.